Okay, it's me, Jackie. Hello. So, it's the next morning. Last time it was like 7 or 8, and now it's like 8:30 or something. So, and we have the phone in rice and the wire still. Yes.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna take the phone out of the rice. It seems to
Unplug it and wipe it off.
better. Unplug it and wipe it off.
And show us to see if it's going to turn on now.
Thank you.
Nope.
Then turn on.
So what does that prove
Our
conclusively?
experiment failed, but
No, our experiment was a success. We proved that if you drop your phone in the ocean, it will not work.
well, to me the experiment failed because I thought it was gonna work.
Well, that's why it's an experiment. You have to have a hypothesis.
Except one reason it's good that it failed is that we learned more.
We did.
So
And also, then what do I get? A brand new.
phone. And so it's
And it should arrive
so
today.
and so scientists think it's a good thing if your experiment runs wrong because if your hypothesis is wrong because then you learn more.
That's right. Thank you very much. What do you have to say?
Thank you for watching our video.